Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC. Welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. In this part of the build series, we are going to build the front axle. And for this part of the series, you'll need the front axle assembly, you'll need 2 leaf spring packs, you'll need 2 straight rod ends, as well as the pivot balls or standoffs. You'll need the hardware from bag B and this steering link. Alright, we're going to start off with the steering link first. So for that you'll need the link, these 2 M4x16 set screws, 2 nylon washers, 2 O-rings, 2 pivot balls, 2 rod ends, the straight kind, and you also want this pivot ball tool that is also included in the kit. Alright, next on these you want to clock these hubs 10 degrees back. So to do that you'll have to loosen the hub, remove it, and then put it back on. Alright, basically you just want to clock it 1 notch back. so you have it at a 10-degree caster. Alright, before we put these back on, we'll need to deal with the leaves, and we'll be right back. Alright, for this next part, you'll need these two M3 tapered spacers. You'll need one M3 by 24 button head screw and one M3 by 14 button head screw. And you'll have to decide on your leaf spring setup. I am going to go with the two largest leaves and get rid of the two smallest leaves. There is a chart for the leaves right here. And I am going with N plus A. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the leaves that I want, or that I don't want. Alright, you want to flip this upside down this way. It was originally like this, but you'll want to flip it this way. Alright, and that pretty much does it for the front axle. 2 leaf spring setup, the 2 largest leaf springs there, as well as the steering link added. It hits the leaf springs now, but you gotta remember, like, when the rig is on, the leaf springs will be spread out more, and so the link won't hit at all. But here we go, and that is the front axle completed. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for the next part of this boom racing BRX02 Land Rover Series 288 kit build. Thanks for watching.